Hello, everyone. Hello, my friends. Let's learn some vocabulary related to nature. Let's see the wind turbine. Please repeat after me. Wind turbine. You know that the wind turbine, it moves and it generates electricity. Wind turbine. Here you can see a flower, a very beautiful flower dancing in the wind. A flower dancing in the wind. And now let's see a volcanic eruption together. Volcanic eruption. A volcano is erupting. Volcanic eruption. And now you have a view of a mountain. Actually, it is a snowy mountain. You can see snow. Snowy mountain. Here you can see a mountain peak. The peak of the mountain is the highest point of the mountain. Mountain peak. And now we have a very good view of the waterfall. This waterfall is located in the forest. Waterfall. Waterfall. And now you can see a valley. A valley is between the mountains. Valley. Sky and clouds. Sky and clouds. You can see a very beautiful sky with the clouds in the sky. Some days they are cloudy, some days they are snowy, some days it's sunny. So here you can see the clouds in the sky. River. Actually, it is a rocky river. River. And now we can see a very beautiful ocean with big waves. Big waves of the ocean. Big waves of the ocean. And finally, we see a very beautiful sunset from the beach. Sunset from the beach. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please like and share and also subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you again.